Okay, students, the next lesson is My Grandfather. It is written by William Butler Yeats, and basically, it is an biographical sort of essay. The essay My Grandfather is basically presenting the memories of W.B. Yeats' childhood, especially related to his maternal grandfather. However, greater part of the essay reveals a character analysis of Yeats' grandfather and grandmother. The writer says that his grandfather, William Pollux Fenn, was a man of his own nature, though he was never harsh or unkind to him, yet it was a practice to fear and praise him. Physically, he was very strong. Besides having a hard temper, he could even handle the burglars himself instead of going to the law. Being the only son of his parents, he had very few friends. This shows his nature of remaining alone. Though he has acquaintance with some famous people, all his children were afraid of their proud father. And he recollects many other memories of his grandfather. For example, he feared that he was a sinner and God would punish him. With the passage of time, he conquered this fear. Yeats says that all the childhood memories are not vivid. He remembers on somebody's knees and looking out of the window. He recalls his playing with some boys on a road, and particularly one by one in uniform. But his memories of grandfather at Seligo are very clear. His grandfather was a disciplined man. He was never harsh to the child, but the formal dress, the disciplined breakfast, and dinner caused uneasiness among the children. As the children had to follow the rule strictly, they were more miserable, the elders. Thus, we come to know the real sense of Yeats' words. I remembered little of childhood, but its pain. I have grown happier with every year of life, as thou, gradually conquering something in myself, for my miseries were not made by others, but were a part of my own mind. And as he grew up, he would be happier with the passage of time, as thou gradually conquering something in himself. The realization is that there is nothing to fear and that his miseries are not due to others but a part of his own mind. This thing is the real message conveyed by the writer in this essay. As far as Yeats' grandmother is concerned, as he has talked about his grandmother as well, she was totally different sort of character. She was kind-hearted, considerate, and helpful by nature. Though she once punished him because he was playing with a servant, yet he always loved to be in her company. Moreover, she had a fantastic aesthetic nature and admirer of art. Her room was beautifully decorated with different paintings. She always took keen interest in looking after her garden. In short, she had a personality of her own and everybody loved and admired her. These were the writer's views about his grandfather and his grandmother. Yeats had included a comparison of their characters to magnify the salient features of each character. This comparison also shows the difference between man and woman, particularly old ones. And he has also described a thing that we call generation gap. There is always a gap between generations. जैसे आजकल मतलब जो नई नस्ल है और जो पुरानी नस्ल है, उन दोनों के जो सोचें होती हैं, उन दोनों के जो काम करने का अंदाज़ होता है, जो ज़िंदगी गुजारने का एक तरीका होता है या थियरी होती है, वो डिफरेंट होती है. तो दोनों में डिफरेंस भी होता है. तो लेकिन इसके बावजूद both generations are connected deeply with each other. तो यीट्स ने इस ऐसे में यही एक गैप की भी बात की है और एक कंपैरिजन भी दिया है और एक कनेक्शन जो होता है पेरेंट्स का और चिल्ड्रन का, उसमें उसने शो करवाया है कि पेरेंट्स जो है वो बच्चों पे सख्ती करते हैं, लेकिन वो सख्ती जो होती है फॉर द टाइम बीइंग बच्चों को बुरी लगती है, उसकी वजह से वो काफ़ी फियर्स उनके माइंड में डेवलप हो जाते हैं। बट लेटर ऑन इन लाइफ दे रियलाइज कि ये सारी जो सख्तियाँ थी, जो सारी पेरेंट्स की स्ट्रिक्टनेस थी, वो जो उनको डिसिप्लिन सिखा रहे थे, इट वाज फॉर द गुड ऑफ देयर। और बाद में वो जो बचपन में जो आपको चीज़ें प्रॉब्लमेटिक लग रही होती हैं, जब आप ग्रो अप कर जाते हैं तो वो प्रॉब्लम्स ख़त्म हो जाते हैं। अब इस लेसन में हम बेसिकली जो मेन फोकस रखेंगे वो दो चीज़ों पे होगा। एक इस लेसन का जो थीम है और इसमें जो कैरेक्टर स्केचेस बनेंगे, मतलब ग्रैंडफादर का स्केच, मतलब उस पर ही ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आता है, उसकी पर्सनैलिटी को हम मतलब डिस्कस करेंगे डिटेल में, और ग्रैंड मदर की पर्सनैलिटी को भी, ठीक है। और इसमें ये सारे हम इसका एक क्रिटिकल व्यू लेंगे इस ऐसे का।